Hello everyone, my name is Andika Wira. Study number is 250512300026 from Class D Manufacturing Engineering Program. Today I will demonstrate how to safely and correctly operate a milling machine according to the standard operating procedure (SOP). This includes preparation, setup, operation, and safety practice for accurate machining. The first preparation will require personal protective equipment (PPE), safety glasses, safety shoes, gloves, and lab coat or workshop uniform. Clean the machine table and surrounding area from chips, oil, or dust. Keep the workspace organized for safety and precision. Next, machine setup and operation. Check the power supply, lubrication, and machine line handles. Secure the workpiece using a vise or clamp. Install the cutting tool and mill or face mill and tighten it properly. Adjust the table position using the handle for X, V, and Z axis. Movement. Set spindle speed and feed rate according to material type. Turn on the main power and start the spindle feed the workpiece slowly toward the cutter using the table handle. Apply coolant if needed to prevent overheating. Maintain steady control and monitor the cutting process carefully. When finished, stop the spindle and power off the machine. Move the table away using the handle before removing the workpiece. Clean the machine and work area with a brush or air blower. Next, safety precaution. Always wear safety glasses and keep hands away from rotating part. Do not adjust or measure the workpiece while the spindle is running. Never wear gloves or loose clothing during operation. Ensure all guard and cover are in place before starting. Turn off the power before changing tool or cleaning. Report unusual noise or vibration to the instructor immediately. That's all for my milling machine operation demonstration. Following the SOP help us achieve precise result and prevent accident. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.